قناة طبخ تهتم بتقديم كل ما هو جديد في عالم الطبخ، حيث تقدم طرق الطبخ للمبتدئين وتوضح كل أنواع الطبخ لكل السيدات. تهدف قناة طبخ إلى إمداد المبتدئين بمعلومات عن الطبخ من أجل تعلم طرق الطبخ دون الحاجة لأي فيديوهات تعلم طبخ أخري.
Before diving into the cooking process, tell viewers to gather the ingredients first. Make sure they have the following items ready. Now, tell viewers the first step to cook the pasta and explain it in detail with your video or picture. Next, show to second step to cook the perfect pasta and show viewers how to do with your video or image. Then, demonstrate the third step of cooking the pasta by showcasing the process through your video or image, illustrating the method for viewers to follow along. Here, present the last phase of preparing the ideal pasta dish, visually guiding viewers through a video or image and teach them how to replicate it themselves. In the last scene, leave your social account information to let viewers follow your channel.